Let's talk about packaging using Kandji. Okay, so this is a simple package I've opened for Uniflow Smart Client. And what my Composer package was doing is it was taking these two files, the PKG file and the tenant configuration file, and throwing it inside private temp. And this PKG file was given by the vendor themselves. So once this file is sent to the location, which is private temp, our post install script does the job, and that is something that pre-install does as well. Okay, so if you have to do the same thing using Kandji, this is how you do. So in Kandji, if you have to create a package, you come to library, click on add new, and they call it custom application. So you could upload a PKG, a DMG, or a zip file. And also there is something called auto apps. So auto apps are the applications which Kandji has created. They are ready to deploy, but in our case, we are covering a package you have created and it has some pre and post install scripts. So you go to custom app, add and configure, give a name, Uniflow Online. Blueprint is where you want to deploy, but that's not we are covering today. How do you want it to install? Do you want it to install once per device, or do you want to set an audit script that does some background check, and then if something is missing, then it enforces? So you could select this or this. In our case, it's just install once per device. And then is the PKG file or a disk image file. So what this package would do if you create in Composer and export it is it would copy these files in temp, and then post install would run it, right? So we are doing same thing in Kandji. We would zip this file, come to this location, so come to this option, zip the file. Let me upload it first, and tell Kandji to unzip this file in this location. Okay, so these files would get unzipped in this location, same thing that this package would do, and then your post install would install, right? We would do the same thing. We would capture the post install and add it here, and then if you have some pre-install, you could add it here. So here is your pre-install and that is your post install. That's it, your package is ready. So the same thing this kind of package is doing can be done here. Just zip the file, throw it here. If you don't need a pre-install, don't use it. Just put a post install script and you are ready. So that's it about Kandji and Composer. We would cover more in details, but right now, just a little bit exposure to the new tool. Hope you would love it.